Hello, I'm Christine K. Corubino, a sophomore civil engineering student of College of Engineering and Architecture, Cagayan State University, Cari Campus. I am here at the landmark of our university, where the mighty red eagle is nesting. This statue is our emblem of persistence and courage, to go beyond our limits and to achieve greater heights. Just like the mighty red eagle, we never settle for less, hence we strive hard for the best.
As the gradual opening of the face-to-face classes, Cagayan State University welcomes us with tremendous exciting laboratory and field activities that will surely equip us with enough knowledge and skills as we progress in our chosen careers.
The Civil Engineering Department has functional laboratories and facilities that serve as the home for the improvement of every student's skill in different fields of their specialization.
These facilities include hydraulics laboratory, surveying and transportation engineering laboratory, construction materials and testing facility, computer laboratory, which are located in the College of Engineering building, and the Metals and Engineering Innovation Center.
I am here at the engineering building, and let us delve into the apparatus and talk about the storage rooms.
The college has one set of VCAT apparatus, which used in the testing of hydraulic cement, set of sieve checker in both horizontal and vertical movement, one set of functional STM Marshall stability tester, two pieces of sample splitter, compaction pedestal, three sets of functional force tables, and a set of new deadweight pressure gauge calibrator, two sets of oven thermometer controlled, one set of new functional abrasion used to test abrasive resistance of solid materials, a new functional electric strain direct shear apparatus, STCBR3 digital CBR tester, two sets of sieve pans, and another two sets of sieve cover plates. There are still more laboratories at Cagayan State University to support the practical needs of faculty and students. Practically, surveying and transportation engineering laboratories and construction materials and testing facilities are especially important to give students realistic insights and for learners to effectively acquire knowledge in the lab. The Surveying and Transportation Engineering Laboratory. This lab has one set of sextant equipment stored in storage room B1, 5 sets of transit with tripod used to measure distances and read angles, 20 pieces of 50-meter tape, 76 pieces of marking pins, 3 sets of planimeter, 13 sets of tripod, and 7 sets of adjustable range pole. The laboratory has also high-tech instruments that can be used by the students at the university for surveying, such as 7 sets of total station with tripod, 8 sets of reflectorized prism, 6 sets of prism pole, 4 sets of digital theodolite with tripod. These instruments are all stored at storage room B1 and they're ready to use. Plus, the laboratory also equipped with old instruments for surveying, such as the 7 sets of theodolite with tripod. After such a thrilling ride in the surveying laboratory, let us dive in the equipment utilized in the steel laboratory.
I am here at the Metals and Engineering Innovation Center. Let's get inside.
Cagayan State University also established Metal Engineering Innovation Center equipped with complete and high-quality equipment associated to steel design. This is the laboratory where learners will have a chance to explore and have a real-time experience with the equipment installed in it. Meanwhile, the hydraulic laboratory has one set of hydraulic apparatus, one set of new flow over weirs, one set of new Bernoulli's theorem demonstration, a set of new orifice discharge, a set of new energy losses in vents, and new energy losses in pipes. This is the hydraulic bench. This self-contained water supply apparatus allows recirculating water from a sump tank into different hydraulic device. CSU has instructors who are expert in this field and are eager to teach every learners on how to operate the apparatus in order for them to have real experience to the device. From the setup to the actual process, the instructor is there to guide the students for a better access to the apparatus. Hydraulic laboratory, the state-of-the-art facility of CSU used for conduction of a variety of experiments and activities pertaining to water. This lab provides a mode of testing the hydraulic properties of highway drainage structure, submerged bridges, and stream crossings. This lab surely instilled to its learners sufficient knowledge, especially for those students who will pursue water engineering as a course. Cagayan State University has invested in a computer laboratory with 50 computer stations to help students learn how to use different computer programs. This computer lab is an air-conditioned room with a reliable internet connection, where students can practice a variety of software applications such as AutoCAD, frame construction, and reinforced concrete. Computers are well equipped to accommodate the bulk of CE students and also those of Cagayan State University. Meanwhile, the school library is an area where students can study and stay for leisure. CSU Library is up to date with engineering-related books and references, academic books, and general knowledge. Our library is filled with books that are available for students for both academic and leisure purposes. The library has air conditioning, which allows students to feel comfortable when doing group work or self-reviews. It has rows of individual workstations, laptops, and a strong Wi-Fi connection where students may study in groups, explore papers, and seek specialist works.
I am here at the Department
Science and Technology building, where the chemistry and physics facilities are located. This is where students conduct their hands-on laboratories for their better experience.
The DOST Chemical Laboratory provides students with various lab equipment needed in any type of testing or experiment activities. The apparatus in the laboratory are appraised and most importantly in good condition. The College of Engineering and Architecture owns 50 highly competent and excellent professors holding different fields of specializations. Some faculties have degrees in structural engineering, construction engineering management, transportation engineering, steel and hydraulics engineering. College of Engineering and Architecture is led by Engineer Odi Arcabral. The department also has board top-notch instructors and instructors with outstanding research study that influence the learners to never settle for mediocrity and always aim for paramount quality. In the video is a demonstration of facilitating learning by a professor as he extensively discussed to the students mathematical problems, providing them necessary formulas and equations that are useful for taking the national board exam and is vital for the graduates to be equipped with knowledge in the engineering arena. The students, as face-to-face gradually open, are now ready to acquire necessary knowledge and skills. Our classrooms are rather spacious and it can house 50 students at the same time. All our classrooms are well lighted and well ventilated. There are also posted reminders and signs on the walls for the students to take heed and remember for their safety from the threat of the COVID-19. Students from outlying districts or outside the province can stay at the university's dormitory. This is ideal for all occupants because it has completely invested in interior amenities that are clean and convenient. CSU has a large gymnasium where faculty can organize programs and enable students to train for extracurricular activities and engagement. CSU also has made space for sports enthusiast students, including the CSU tennis court.
One of the technologies produced and improved by the campus is an electric truck, which staff and students can request when they have to transfer from one building to another distant building.
E-Track has been one of many products that engineering students from Cagayan State University has innovated, and this is useful for every learners for easy access of transportation around the campus.
CSU, particularly in Civil Engineering Department, has been faithful to its objectives to demonstrate leadership
and effectively work in multidisciplinary and multicultural teams in diverse fields of practice and can communicate with technical and broader communities through written, oral, and visual formats. Thus, this prepares all civil engineering students to be globally competent, ready to venture the world.
This is Cagayan State University, the home of the mighty red